In this video, we will see the simple and fast way to fix MS Excel hyperlink issue. Most of the time, user got this error message when open a link in Excel file. Let's fix Excel file hyperlink issue by using Stellar Repair for Excel software. This is the main interface of the software. Select the file having hyperlink issue. Click Repair to start the repair process. This message confirms that the repair process completed successfully. It completes the repairing and provides the preview of the repaired file in the right pane. Click the preview of repaired file in right pane. The preview facility is also available in demo version. To save the file, click on Save. You can save the file by default or in the desired location. Select path where you want to save file and click OK. This message confirms that the software repaired the file successfully. Now, let's check the repaired file. As you can see here, the issue has fixed and links are working now. These are the simple steps to fix Excel hyperlink not working issue.